Hi guys, just wanted to show you in this vlog. I don't know if you can see. Well, my husband is just gonna sort this out. So it's what do we call it? Cupboard lockers for children, and this is like really good and really easy to use. It's not one of those where you like put it on top of the cupboard. Yeah, you will see anyway. So this is him prepping, so I'll let him.
So this is the key.
Yeah,
this is the key, and these are latches. So this will be connected, and with this you'll be able to open and close the cupboard. So I'll just show you how to do it. So you set it up this way and it's ready to go. But before you install it, before you install this, you have to take an alcohol pad and then wipe all the dirt. So you're going to lock this. As you can see, this one has been done already, so you can open it. So you use the key, and then once you put it there, you can open it. Once you put it, you can't open it. So that's exactly what we are going to do to this. As you can see, there is nothing there at the minute. So here we go. Because this is here, we're going to install it here. You can as well install it here, and we decide to do it here. So you clean this side, this surface, and then as you can see, it will likely go somewhere here. So you wipe out all this surface. And once you've done that, you leave it for it to dry naturally. Let it dry naturally. You can decide to put a fan on it, but because we are trying to work with time, we'll do that for all the other surfaces, and then we'll come back to you. Ready? This is ready to go. So as you can see, I've already set it up. Now it is set up, ready for installation. So as you can see, we have to first take off this. Once you take it off, you're ready to stick it here. So it sticks. You have to be careful when doing it because it has to be accurate. So just mark it here and stick it. You hear the bump. So it is stuck. And now I remove this one, which is remove this. Once it's done, see, it's very sticky. I try and close it first so that it sticks to it hard, and then open it slowly. As you can see, it's stuck here, so I press it and make sure it's really stuck. And with this one, you can just remove this because this is a guide. See, so this is stuck, very stuck. As long as you stand there, this is also stuck. So let's try and close it to see if it is properly locked. So it is locked, you see, and I'm trying to open it. It's not opening. But now, if I bring a key, I take a key. You can see I installed it somewhere here, so I place it somewhere there. The moment we engage it, you see, you can open it and have it. So once you remove the key, it's ready to lock. Once you engage it, it unlocks. So that's how it locks and unlocks. So that's fixed. The next one to go. up a bit. So see how strong it is. That's why you have to make sure you do it right. Lock it. Yeah, this one is perfect. So now I'm going to tighten it. See, I can tighten it because I'm okay. So it's quite a dicey one. It's very sticky, very strong. So make sure you get it right the first time. So very important that you got it right. So if you get it wrong, do not panic. Don't say, oh, I'll spot it. What do I do? Just take your time and leave it now. Perfect. You can see it's very strong. Unless I use aggressive force, which is someone may be asking why this. When you take the key, when you buy the key comes with these slots. Basically, our children, when they see these slots, they want to tamper with it. So we decided not to put these slots. Okay. At the same time, to lock this one. One of our kids forcefully removed it. So instead of that, I'll put that one up and then use a new one. Okay. So I'm going to put a new one here for this. So for now, let's open this. You can see we've removed this one. Basically, this one it's part of the key system. It goes like this because it has this metal, this magnetic. So, but because this thing being here attracts our children, so it tempts them to really force this. For which reason they spoiled this one. Okay, we are going to put a new one here, but then we have removed the other part of the key so that they have no clue. They have no clue that anything is here. So when they attempt to open and it's not opening, they will not just try and force it off. So we remove this and we remove that one. We destroyed it literally. So this system here, okay, so just put that one here and then I'll hold it at the back because it was already done. Okay, I'll try and close this one tight and open it. Okay, so this is it. Engage it with the key to open and close by pressing here. Make sure it's working tightly before we close it. So you can see it's locked. It's locked. Okay, so we can now tighten it. So all the cabinets are now locked. Let's make sure it's working. All the cabinets are now locked. This is locked. All are tight. Everything in the house. Everything is now locked. Every one of them. Then this one is also locked. Every one of them, all of them. Top. With the exception of these drawers, because these ones you don't really have time to open. So, and usually they don't even come and open it. And it's a bit tight anyway. Yeah. On this one, it's a bit tight anyway. So we've left this one. With the exception of this, every other one is locked. This one is locked. It has water. This one is locked. It has. So, guys, we decided to show you this. We trust that if you have children, give it a try. You can order it where? Annie? You can look on eBay. Okay, so it comes like this. The key is very expensive, so don't misplace it. The key is extremely expensive. The latch is cheap, but the key is expensive. One key goes for £3.99 or something like that. Just a key, and you don't need. We have about 12 or so drawers. You don't need 12 keys. We literally have 4 keys. You don't need 12 keys. We have 4 keys to manage all of them. So even with only 1 key, if you are sure you not lock the key or you not misplace it, you just need 1 key and 20 latches. But then we bought 4 keys and then 12 latches just to have spare. So thank you. I'm not going to bend these keys. I'm going to bend this. I won't bend these keys. These keys are magnetic, so we place them here, out of the reach of the children. So we place them here. So all the keys are here. And then these are the holders. I'll keep them here as well, just in case we need any more installation, and I'll bend all these other ones.
Thank you for tuning in. Look out for more videos, and hopefully, like you said, when you have children, this is very good.
For when you have children,
yeah, you don't have to drill or anything.
No drilling.
Like
there is nothing like drilling in here.
Especially in your medicine cabinet, you need to put that so that children don't, touch.
There is no drilling. There is no screwing.
Yeah.
Nothing
I know
like
that
that.
the ones that are quite popular are the ones that you put it like here outside, but like a latch. They were selling them, but it's not ideal because children can see them and just be pulling. But this is perfect.
You don't see anything.
It's like nothing is there.
No drill, nothing.
Yeah, so your house can still look.
And it's locked securely.
Very much.
I literally have to use my strength to pull it out.
Yeah.
Which obviously destroys the latch.
Yeah.